We're asked to draw the function 3 if x is less than 1 and 3x if x is greater than or equal to 1. And then we need to use the definition of the derivative to show that this is non-differentiable at 1. For the first part of the graph, where x is less than 1, the function is equal to 3. So that's really like graphing y equals 3, but we only want to show that graph when x is less than 1. So we'll put a hollow dot at 1 and then draw a horizontal line backwards. Second part of the definition is that x is greater than or equal to 1, and if that's the case, our function is 3x. If x is 1, that function is equal to 3. So let's